Good day, guys. So this is what we'll be designing today. We'll be using all the dimensions. This is what we'll be doing today. As you can see, this is what we'll be doing today. So it's very simple. I'll go to my file. I'll go for a new work, parts. Okay. All I have to do, I'll use a front plane this time. Front plane, as I normally like. So I'll just sketch first. I'll sketch the side that I'm comfortable with first. So I'm comfortable with this, as you can see. Then this smart dimension. So we have this point to this point. As you can see there, it's 100. So please pay attention to the dimensions. So this top now, I'm seeing something like 30. Top. Okay, here now is 40. Yes, 40. So this is 40. As I told you guys, when you do a job, then you adjust it. Then the thickness. See this bottom, the down here is 20. So I'll impute 20 here. 20. Then for here, let me see if anything it was specified. I'm seeing, so if we have here from this point to this point, this point like this is showing that side is 20. I think 10 was taken from here. So if from here to here is 10, and take another one, here will be, well, I say 30. Can I put here as 30? Because 10 was taken there. Let me see, I'll put it as 30. Put it as 30. So I've been able to get this. I go to my features, SolidWorks. Now I'll put it on mid plane. The thickness, you use this for thickness, that is 70. So I've been able to, okay, good. Now what's the next step? I want to sketch this. I'll sketch on this. You have to be very careful at this point here. I'll click here and I'll click on convert entities. I'll be very careful. So I want to cut this out. What I'll do first is to bring an invisible. Okay. Now I want to do the convert entity. I know that from this point to this point is 100. So I'll bring this line, I'll bring it here, like this construction line, I'll just drop it. Then I will dimension from here, because the cutout came out from that 50, so I'll dimension 50. So I've been able to get that. Then what else? Then I'll use a construction line again, so I can make something symmetrical. So that it can be in the middle. Since these are middle, so I click here, I'll click this. So I've gotten this now. So then I'll do this because because the cutout came from the 50 line. I'll do this one. I'll come here. Or I can still decide to mirror it. Or to make the work easy, mirror. I'll click here, mirror about, click here. Now the distance between the two lines, this distance, then let's see. I'll produce this. I'll produce something like this. Do something like this. Then I'll make it symmetrical, so it will be in the center. 1 and 2. Symmetric, so they'll be in the center. Then if you observe, they say that thickness for your dimension, I'll dimension here. I'll bring it out so you can see it. They say 25. So you can see that. Then what's the next thing? I've done the 25, then I need to do the 20, okay, the 40. So from this point to this point is 40, so it's 40. Good to go. I've been able to get that. So now what do I want to cut out? I want to cut out this point. I want to cut out this point. I'll cut out this point and this point here. So I'll just use my line to join them. This to here to here. Escape. Zoom in properly. Then I can zoom in also to confirm from here to here to here. Zoom in properly. Then I want to use another line again. I'll come here to here. So I'm good to go. Then is there something I'm forgetting? Okay. Then now this it's recorded as 30. So you have to pay close attention to dimensions. I've been able to do that. If you check here, you see fully defined. So I've been able to get that done. Then I come here, good. I go to features, I click on extrude cut. Extrude cut. You see? I'm done. I've been able to get this. And to make the work look very bright and sharp, so it looks good now. Okay, if you want to like do what I can prefer to use like this. So now all I have to do, this is my job. Then I click here because I want to remove some things to get this top part, to remove this top part also. So what's the first thing I do? I click on this line. I have to cut out something. I have to create something like this. First I have to make, let's say, a queue that 30 has to go down. First 30 will have to go down. So I dimension it immediately here. 30. So to make it symmetric, I'll just create that construction line again. Just come, I hold control, click, hold control, click, then I'll come here symmetric, so to be in the middle. So I've been able to get this now. I'll complete it like this, like this. I've been able to do this now for symmetric, like 30 will go down, but 30 is not going to go very, like, go extreme to the bottom. 30 will stop at the middle here. Then we have 10, a distance of 10 that we have to go down totally. So I'll come here, do something like this, something like this. I can mirror it. I come to mirror entities, I mirror this. Then I have to mirror about, this is what I want to mirror about. I click, so I'm good to go. Then I just come here dimension, so it's 10. Okay, no, I won't dimension that. So I'll dimension from 30 is going. Okay, I'll dimension from here to here. I'll dimension it as 40. So I've been able to get that done. Now I want to cut. I'll close here. Let me close here. From here to here. I'll cut so I can cut it. Then if I want to, I'll come here again. From here. So I can cut it. What do I do now? I go to my features, extrude cut. Now they will ask where the parts I want to cut. First, this part I want to cut here, but I'm going to cut it in a thickness of 15. Then blind, so it doesn't cut everywhere. Come inside here, I'll cut here too. So I have something like this. Mind you, I've not done this cut. So okay. Then I'll still come to this sketch again. I still have the sketch with me. I'll still come to extrude cut. Then I'll come here and I'll click here. But I told you this one is piercing through, so it will be through all.